Students, in this video we are going to solve question number 1 of exercise number 14.2, and in this question we have given the age group and the number of patients. ये जो क्वेश्चन है, ये क्वेश्चन ऐसा है कि एक हॉस्पिटल में एक साल में कितने एज ग्रुप के कितने पेशेंट्स एडमिट हुए, उसका हमको मोड फाइंड, वी हैव टू फाइंड द मोड एंड मीन एंड कंपेयर एंड इंटरप्रेट द टू मेजर्स ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी. और दोनों जब हम मीन और मोड निकाल लेंगे, फाइंड कर लेंगे, उसके बाद हमको क्या करना है, दोनों का कंपैरिजन बताना है. क्लियर? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल go for mode. We will write here mode. मोड फाइंड करने के लिए हमको सबसे पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा, हमको देखना पड़ेगा कि हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी किस क्लास इंटरवल की है. हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 23. क्लियर? एंड द क्लास corresponding to this frequency is 35 to 45. Okay, so we will write here maximum frequency is 23 and therefore model class is 35 to 45. So L is equal to, L means lower limit of the model class, that means 35. H is equal to class size. Class size means upper limit minus lower limit, that is 10. Then F0 means the frequency of the class, model class preceding the model class, the frequency of the preceding model class, that is, this is the F0 is 21, F1 is 23 and F2 is equal to 14. Therefore mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 whole upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. Clear? Now into H. Okay, so mode is equal to L, that means 35 plus F1 minus F0, that is 23 minus 21 upon 2 into F1 is 23 minus F0 21 minus F2, that is 14 into H, that is 10. Clear? Is equal to 35 plus 23 minus 21, that is 2 upon 46 minus 35 into 10 is equal to 35 plus 2 into 10, that is 20 upon 46 minus 35, that is 11, is equal to 35 plus 20 upon 11, that is 20 upon 11, that means 11 1 11, 8 88, so 1.8 approx. So our mode is 36.8 years approx. Clear, students? Now we will find the mean of the given data. So here we will write mean. We will go through assumed mean method. Okay, so first of all we have to make table. It is age in years, or we call age in years. then number of patients, then here we will write 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, and 55 to 65. Now number of patients are 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. Here we will find class mark, that is xi, here fi. Class mark is, what is class mark? Up lower limit plus upper limit upon 2, that is 15 plus 5, that is 20 upon 2, that is 10. Clear? 25 plus 15, that is 40 upon 2, 20. Then 30, then 40, then 50 and 60. These are the class marks. Now we will solve this mean through assumed mean method. Therefore, we will assume a mean from these class mark. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will take 40 as A. Suppose A is 40. Then here next column will be D is equal to Di is equal to Xi minus A, where A is equal to 40. Now Xi minus A, for 10 minus 40, that is minus 30, minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10 and 20. Clear? Here Fi di, Fi 6 into 30 minus 180, 11 into 20 minus 220, 21 into 10 minus 210, 23 into 0, 0, 14 into 10, 140 and 5 into 20, it is 100. So Fi di, summation of all Fi di, that is 140 and 100, that is 240, and 180, 220 and 210 will become 8 to 10, 111. 610, negative of 610 and positive of 240. So what we get? We will get 0, 11 minus 4, that is 7, and 5 minus 2, that is 3. 370 in negative, it is minus 370. Clear? So minus 370. Now here frequency, what is the sum of the frequency? Is 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 11, 11, 4, 15 plus 5, 20. Then 2 plus 1, 3, 5, 7 and 8. 80 families, 80 patients. Okay. Now mean is equal to A plus summation Fi di upon summation Fi. It is the formula to find the mean by assuming mean method. A is equal to 40 plus Fi di minus 370 upon Fi, that is 80, is equal to 40 minus 0, 0 cancel, 37 divided by 8. 8 4 ja 8 4 ja 32, 5.0, then 4.6, then 4.62, or we can take 4.6 approx. 4.6 approx. Okay, now what we have? We have 40 minus 4.6, that is 35.4 years approx. Now we have the mean age of patient which are admitted whole year, 35.4. Okay, now and maximum age group of patients which are admitted in the year is 36.8. So got the all points. So students, in this method, according to this method, you have to solve the remaining questions of exercise number 14.2. Now we will proceed to the next topic, that is median for grouped data. Okay, so you do yourself the remaining questions, and if you find any doubt, then ask me. Okay, thank you, and note it down.